policy offers dual incentives for electronics projects in Gujarat. Gujarat introduces the Electronics Component Manufacturing Policy 2025 to attract investments, boost local production, and offer dual incentives for MITY-approved projects, aiming to position the state as a global electronics manufacturing hub. New Honeywell artificial intelligence tools to boost industrial cybersecurity. Honeywell has introduced new artificial intelligence tools to strengthen industrial cybersecurity and support safer, more resilient operations. Hyundai India drives net zero future with clean testing technology. Hyundai Motor India has tested over 4.25 million engines using zero-emission, fuel-free cold bed engine testing, advancing its net zero and green manufacturing goals. Safran, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited boost aero partnership with new leading-edge aviation propulsion component deal. Safran Aircraft Engines and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited have signed a new deal to produce leading-edge aviation propulsion engine components, strengthening their partnership and supporting Make in India. Indra Accesscade's alliance to boost Make in India defense systems. Indra teams up with Accesscades to produce defense systems in India, boosting local manufacturing under the Make in India initiative.